Today is 29th May and I have received my first package from StockX. But the story does not start here. The story started on 23rd May when I placed the order for this pair. So let's just roll back to that and then we'll unbox this. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Soonj and today is 23rd May and I am actually recording my experience of buying a pair from StockX. I really don't know that this video will actually go live or not. This is just experience that I'm going to record. So I get a lot of questions from people that where should we buy a pair from StockX or not? How does it work? बहुत सारे मेरे को questions आते हैं. So I thought why not just I'll record my experience of just from scratch. So just to tell you something about StockX, I think आपको mostly पता ही होगा, but if somebody who does not know what StockX is, so StockX is basically a platform that is used for buying and selling your sneakers. But there are a couple of things as well, but mainly focused on sneakers. And so let's just start with bidding for the sneaker that I want. So I'll be using the StockX app. आप web application भी use कर सकते हैं. So here we go. We have opened the StockX app and we are gonna try to get our hands on Air Max 90 Bacons 2021. On the top you can see we have two options, buy and sell. We'll be using the buy option, but before that we'll scroll down and see the trend of the price. You can see the last sale price also. So then we'll go and click on the buy option. When you click on the buy option, you can see these prices. These are basically the amounts that the sellers are basically looking for. So for my size, it's asking for $132, but I'm gonna go and bid for a lower price. So I'm gonna bid for $125 and that will be total $203. So मैंने ये bid place कर दी है and now let's see how the seller will accept it or not, and then we'll if the seller accepts, then the order will automatically get placed. Actually bid for the pair and I could have directly gone and मैंने $132 pay कर दिए होते, but I think वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है for this pair. So let's go. So I actually placed a bid. Let's see how it goes. Otherwise eventually मैं $132 भी दे दूँगा, कोई ऐसे दिक्कत नहीं है. So let's see how it goes.
The next day.
Hi guys, it's the next day today. कल रात को मैं bid करके actually सो गया था. But when I woke up in the morning, I saw this mail from StockX that basically said that somebody has bid higher than what I had bid for. So the seller था, he was asking for $132. I had bid $125, but when I woke up, then I got a mail that somebody has bid $129. So I thought ये क्या $2-4 के चक्कर में I am waiting. So right now let's just keep this bid thing aside and directly हम लोग purchase मारते हैं. $133 total comes out to be $214 including customs and delivery charges. देखते हैं how it goes and I'll keep you posted.
2,000 years later.
Thank you. So Korean box. Okay, so here is the box, a plain brown box in which they have shipped. कुछ भी कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखा हुआ है. It's a bit damaged from this side. Rest all seems fine. So let's just unbox this. Whoa. Okay. Some bubble wraps. Here is the box. Let's just open this box. So the box is in 8 on 10 kind of a condition, because there are some these dents kind of a thing, that's why I'm just saying 8 on 10, because boxes are also really important for a sneakerhead. So now let's just open it and see what all do we have here. Okay, so firstly we see this letter from the CEO of, who's the CEO? Scott Cutler. Okay, nice name. So we get a letter from the CEO of StockX which says StockX is all about access. Okay, well, let's put it aside. Then we have this bill for the pair. Okay, so I have actually paid $114. That comes out to be nearly 14,500 rupees. So you will see the bifurcation of the money that I have paid on the screen itself, which includes around $47 as import duties. Quite a big amount, but take it. Okay, then we have this StockX logo in this. Cool. Let's keep that also aside. Okay, now let's come to the main part of the pair. First we have these red and pink laces. Then we have this, what is this? Arch supporter. Okay, I wasn't aware of it. And then we have these beautiful pair of sneakers. I know you guys must have obviously seen that I ordered Air Max 90 Bacons 2021. One of the pair that I was looking for. Okay, and let's just keep this aside. Let's bring the pair here. Okay, so this is what I ordered, and okay, you even have this StockX logo, which is I think common with all the StockX orders. Nice, man, nice. So if you see in terms of experience, it was a smooth experience. I had heard a lot of things, custom charges, it takes a lot of time to deliver and all those things. So ऐसा मैंने कुछ experience नहीं किया. So as you know, I placed order on 24th. Yeah, on 24th I placed the order for this, and on 29th today it's here with me. Let's just see the condition of the pair, if it's fine or not. Okay, so this is something that is bothering me. If you see, even I am also seeing it for the first time. If you see this, it feels like this has been re-glued. Just see it carefully. I don't know. You guys can just comment down कि ऐसा ही होता है or this is what I feel. And even if you see these marks also, so this is actually bothering me. Yeah, I feel this product is either not authentic or maybe used or something like that. I'll show you more closely. Just see this, yeah. Just see this. I feel this pair isn't feeling fresh. जैसे होता है ना, you get a new pair from a store or maybe from order online. So it's very fresh. You feel that smell. That's not what I'm enjoying in this. I don't know how this return or exchange, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this up with StockX and let's see what they're gonna respond, and then maybe we can actually, if there's something interesting on this, then I'll obviously make a video about it as well. So guys, I think this video will have given you a better